How to make a Snapchat account. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are gonna learn how you can make a Snapchat account. First of all, go ahead and open your Snapchat app. After you're here, there is an option in blue that says sign up. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in, or else if you want to make a new Snapchat account, go ahead and press sign up. First of all, enter your first name. Let's say enter a random name. After that, you have to do is choose your birthday. After that, you have to choose a username. If you're okay with this username, go ahead and press continue, or else you can just choose a username that might be available. Let's say this. And if it's available, all you have to do is set a password. Let's say hello123. Password looks good. After that, all you have to do is enter an email. After you're done with that, all you have to do is press finish, and after that you will get a confirmation email from Snapchat, and after you confirm, your account is successfully created. And that is how you can make an account on Snapchat. If you got any other questions, feel free to ask in the comment section, and see you guys in the next one.